Flow is the lifeblood of every industrial process. Whether it is for energy delivery, chemical supply, or water distribution, we appreciate this need at Regent High-Tech Private Limited. Flow is finely and safely directed and controlled to give not only perfect solutions but also precision when deploying them. Our journey began in 1996 as a manufacturer of knife gate valves, and we have since grown into one of India's premier manufacturers and suppliers of industrial valves. At Regent High-Tech, we specialize in crafting precision-engineered valves that define reliability and performance. Delivering industry-tailored, effective and dependable solutions, we bring to paper industry, power industry, sugar industry, cement industry, water treatment plant, sewage treatment plant, compressed biogas, CBG plant, boiler industry and chemical industry, unmatched competence and a legacy-long expertise in innovation.
I am Sanjay Mishra, Managing Director of Regent High-Tech. Over the past 3 decades, we have forged deep customer relationships, delivered innovative high-quality products, and maintained a track record of on-time deliveries.
Resilient valves from us meet the tough demands of both power and cement sectors and excel in the most complex environments. From oil and gas movement, they seamlessly and safely carry energy resources, while in chemical processing, they present precision and safety in complex procedures. Every valve undergoes rigorous tests to meet all international standards to ensure durability and performance under extreme conditions.
We are not just supplying machinery parts, we are shaping the future of automation in the valves for our valued customer in India and around the world.
Our team works collaboratively to place skilled engineers, experienced technicians and dynamic leaders to give mind-blowing solutions for ever-evolving client demands. Our vision is to become a global leader in the manufacturing of valves, the hallmark of innovation and benchmark for quality and sustainability. With a footprint that spans the globe, our esteemed clientele includes some of the most reputed clients in the world across industries, testament to our focus on quality and trust. Our valve manufacturing facility leads sustainable development in the industry by combining precision engineering with environmental responsibility. Through innovative designs, we maximize resource efficiency, supporting industries worldwide in achieving sustainability. We are committed to shaping the future of valve manufacturing, setting a model for the industry with excellence, sustainability, and customer satisfaction. By equipping global industries with lasting solutions, we aim to leave a legacy of trust, innovation, and progress. Together with our partners and clients, we envision a future where possibilities flow seamlessly and excellence knows no bounds. Partner with us for solutions that ensure efficiency, safety, and reliability in every system. At At Regent High-Tech Private Limited, we don't just manufacture valves, we empower industries to drive innovation.